Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Iamcassiejbudgets&vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below, so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of August, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and we'll link them as well. Okay. Wonderful news. Happy birthday to me! Today's my birthday. And I was thinking, don't do a video for today, but I really feel like it needs to be done. I have some goodies that I want to give away. Also, I have what should be $44 here. Let's count it up and see. 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Yes, I have $44. And I did receive these dollars for my birthday, and I decided I would go ahead and do another Christmas binder cash stuffing. Christmas is going to sneak up on us like nobody's business so fast. I'm not ready. I mean, I'm always ready for Christmas, but I'm not prepared. I don't even have an idea of what my kiddos want. And I know, like, closer to time, they go back and forth on the things they want. I'm thinking probably gift card or cash app them the money, and they could just blow it on whatever they want, because that's always a good gift of just being able to purchase whatever you want. I do have some categories that are completed already, fully funded, and I do have those slips there. Some of them still need cash. What I need to do is I need to break down that $20 bill so I can put some cash for my kiddos, and I'm not certain where I'm going to be able to get that money. One moment, guys. All right, that took quite a while. And I couldn't find any 5s or 10s to break it down just slightly. So we're going to have to figure out how we're going to make this happen. Let's see. Let's start off with my kiddos. They get the same amount. Victor getting $5. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 82. So $182, and Vincent, which is up next, should be able to have, the same amount. Let's see here. We're going to add $5 for him. And we're going to count it up. 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 82. 182. Perfect. Just in case anyone is interested, these inserts are in our shop. We are currently working on making them envelopes instead of inserts, or possibly keeping them both. We're trying to figure that out. My mommy envelope, which is me, is fully funded at $100. This money is for a gift. However, if I do need it to go to my PTO because I am taking time off for Christmas break, then I will actually use it for that. Miscellaneous is just for like any gift for other people, or if we want to do something special for Christmas. That one is fully funded at $50. And our special gift is a gift from my mother for my kiddos, and that one is fully funded at $100. And then our first week of PTO is fully funded, and we can count that up. There's some sausage in the air fryer. I want to say it was $350. I changed my goal amount. 150, 200, 50, 300, 20, 40, 45, 50. Yes, that's exactly what happened. And we do need to, I don't want to put a bunch of ones. What's that? Uh-huh. I don't want to put a bunch of ones in here, so how are we going to do this? What is our plan? What does our plan look like? Oh, I have an idea. Bear with me. I've got to move some money around. Okay, sorry. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have $9. And I would like to put the ones somewhere else. Let's see, do 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm trying to decide if I want to go ahead and add more funds to my kiddos envelope, or if I just want to put it towards PTO. Let's see. Decisions. Kind of really need to focus on my PTO. I do have other savings challenges going. I think we'll just go ahead and add it to week 2 of PTO. And we have how much going in here. Whoa. We have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, $34. Yes, $34, that's awesome. Okay, but let's count it up. 50, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. We made it to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $107 in my week 2. I originally was thinking I needed like $450, but I did make arrangements in my budget to set me up for a little bit more success. Long term, if I do need to make adjustments, I will. I think I settled on $350, but I am going to have to crunch my numbers a little bit closer to time to see. Because if I only need $250 a week or $300 a week, then I can spread it out more. The more money I have to take time off and I can pay myself, then that means I get to take more time. I don't think it's necessary to take a month off or anything like that, but for me, it is a goal of mine. Last year, I took 3 weeks off, and fantastic. And even now, I am on a small break. I think the breaks are doing my brain very much good at this point. I need the release. I don't even know what to call it. Just that mental break and just having that me time. It's changing just my mood, my thoughts, the way I feel about everything that's happening around me in terms of my bubble, my circle. Because for those of you who don't know, I am going through a divorce and trying to navigate my thoughts, my feelings, and also be there for my children, but still leave room for, work and God, and trying to figure out what I'm doing, where I'm at any given time. Oh, and by the way, I'm going through perimenopause, so that's, another thing. Let me grab the things that I wanted to show you for our happy birthday, Silynthia giveaway. 1 second. Since it is my birthday, I wanted to do a giveaway. Now, let me just go over the rules really quickly. 18 or older, or you must have a parent permission. Publicly subscribe to my channel. That way I can check and make sure you're supporting my channel. Also, this is the US only, and this is very important because I'm not shipping outside of the US. I do appreciate anyone who is international who supports my channel. What we will do is on Sunday, August 24th, this giveaway will close. It'll officially close next Sunday, and I will reveal the winner on Monday, August 25th. I think what I'll do is I'll put it in the community tab, so make sure that you check in with me on next Monday to see if you've won these items. I'm just going to show you really quickly. I'm not going to go over everything. What I will say is some of these items were just things that I had that I thought were cute that I'm not going to use. Some of the savings challenges are from our shop, and some of the savings challenges are from Iamcassiejbudgets&vlogs membership. So let's see here. Just going to basically show you some of the items that I have, and we won't go over them individually, but if you on YouTube, you can slow your video down if you want to get a closer look. Some of the items are high denomination, some of them are low. If you are interested in being a part of the giveaway and entering, what you'll want to leave down below is go Shorty. Like, go Shorty, it's your birthday. So leave go Shorty down below. So there's a ton of savings challenges, and the ones that I wanted to keep were mostly lower denominations because my budget is so low, but there are a few in here that can be for a low budget, or you can make adjustments to make them low budget. And then one last thing I have here. So I will link the rules down below, just because we want to make sure everybody understands and we're all on the same page. So I was going to leave it a complete mystery, but I kind of want people to know like what they are trying to win in this video. So these items right here will be sent to you via mail. Once I do let the winner know that they've won, I will ship those items to them once I receive their address. So that is the other thing, because it is physical items. Some people are leery about giving their address. I will have to be able to send you items. Okay? All right. So I have one more thing I want to go over. Be right back. I purchased another binder. Now this one is from Miss Frugal. Once again, there is times where I'm really against purchasing anything because it's just not in the cards. But when there's a really good sale and she's practically giving it away, I was like, oh no, not another sale. Because I have binders and I'm just like, oh man. But these, oh, your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so here she goes with the freebies, the goodies, all that jazz. All right, so man, now I'm gonna have to do these savings challenges. I can see that now. That's where we are. I have been doing really good with trying to save, and it looks like these might be, I'm trying to talk over the wrestling paper because I'm shaking. I'm so excited. I love freebies. I like things that don't break my pockets. Oh my goodness. See, these are, oh my goodness. Okay, 50 bucks, 20 bucks. Okay, 20 bucks. Now these scratch and saves, usually you know, I'm how I feel about those, but these are good numbers. Wow. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh my God, Karen, that's so sweet. Okay. Oh my goodness. Thanks so much for your order and continuous support. No problem. Please, please, please make sure that anytime you have a sale, tag me in it so I can at least check out what you have. It says, please remove the protective sleeve from the acrylic. Included my new scratch offs to show my appreciation. Oh, so sweet. Oh gosh. And more stickers. Ooh, okay, money stickers. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, and it looks like we got also an envelope to get us going here. Now, this was I have been eyeballing. Oh my goodness. This is a bag. Fancy. Oh, I'm so fancy. Okay, okay. So this is the, I have been eyeballing this one in her shop. It's actually the one I wanted last time, but it wasn't on, let me grab it. This is the other one I got from her shop. It wasn't on the sale, like, that was good enough for me to actually be like, okay, I'm brave, I'll purchase it. Because of this sale, I was able to purchase this one. Now it does have, it's acrylic front and back. Oh my goodness. And then it's these pretty black envelopes. Oh, so pretty. Okay, now that's pretty fancy. And I was trying to think what I want to use it for, because this one is my Christmas binder. And I don't know if do I want to do savings challenges in here? I'm really gonna have to figure it out because I really want to use this binder. I do have my month ahead plan in place. Maybe I'll come back and set this binder up with you with my month ahead and see how that goes. We'll figure that out. But I am totally obsessed with the fact that it comes, look at that. It's a bag that, it's like a velvet bag. It's so soft. Wow. Okay, Karen, over there making me fancy. I'm going to have a whole new setup pretty soon. And I think I'm going to keep the box because, you know, you can always use the box for something. So this is the box that it came in and the wrapping that you saw there. So I want to thank you so much, Karen, for the freebies. And then also I will insert a picture. The last time you sent me freebies, you sent me something special for my kiddos. So I will make sure I insert a picture there so you can see how all its beautifulness. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to set this binder up with you guys at some point. I'm not certain when. I'm going to get myself together and figure all that out. But I'm so grateful for everybody coming back by. And for those of you who have a birthday in August, happy birthday to you as well. I'm very excited to be 44 today and enjoying life. I really just am truly blessed, and that's where I am. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Anybody who wants to enter the giveaway, make sure you follow the rules down below. Comment, go Shorty. That's so cute, right? Okay, anyway, I'm all over myself today. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.